Coca-Cola launched a pixel-flavoured drink that gives rewards in Fortnite. Tether sells off commercial paper in its transparency strategy and allocates the money in United States Treasury bonds. The US Federal Reserve makes its interest in CBDCs official. The price of Bitcoin closed yesterday below $40,000. Speculation, uncertainty and inflation has caused a decline in anticipation of the Fed meeting on May 3rd. You can see all of this in Nebolus' weekly analysis. For now though, welcome to our newscast. Today, May 15th. Tether, the company behind the stablecoin USDT, has revealed plans to water down holdings of commercial debt in its reserves as concerns continue to surface surrounding the backing behind the stablecoin. During 2021, Tether decided to buy a large amount of commercial paper or short-term corporate debt, only to sell it months later due to concerns raised regarding transparency. Their current plan is to allocate the capital in the United States Treasury bonds to continue supporting USDT. Switching gears from stablecoins to CBDCs, the US Federal Reserve made an official announcement regarding the consideration of central bank digital currency. This body indicates that no decisions have been made on the implementation of CBDCs just yet, but that it is in process of exploring the benefits and risks associated with it. Furthermore, we must also consider the publication of the Fed of a set of frequently asked questions regarding the central bank digital currency. In it, they mentioned their intention to use technological advances such as digital wallets, applications that allow mobile payment or cryptocurrencies to improve the American payment system. In more CBDC news, Iran is also making leaps forward in the area as the West Asian country's Chamber of Commerce, Industries, Mines and Agriculture announced that its central bank has been testing banks and credit institutions on regulations related to a digital rial. In the report presented by the regulatory entity, it is said that the network will be authorized, made up of financial institutions and capable of implementing smart contracts. This last part is extremely interesting due to the use of smart contracts, meaning that banks could potentially implement new financial services through this mechanism, updating the more traditional systems currently in use. Avalanche, the company behind Avalanche, is in the process of launching a new round of financing that would give it a valuation of more than $5 billion. Avalanche is the fourth largest blockchain and has achieved this by attracting various projects with the promise of high speeds and low transaction fees with the use of subnet functionality, where application-specific blockchains can be run at scale. In the gaming world, Japanese multinational Sega unveiled its 5-year plan to create a super game. This interconnected framework of various games seeks to incorporate Web3 technologies such as non-fungible tokens. The company is evaluating the possibility of investing a figure close to $108 million in this project. The Sega community, however, have shown their disapproval with the new path the company has taken. This community has a lot of power over Sega's decisions, as was made evident when they forced designers to change the animation of the main star in the movie Sonic the Hedgehog because it differed too far from the image fans know and love of Sonic. Moving on to Coca-Cola, the American beverage company has decided to bring out a product with a pixel flavour, as per their Twitter. The Coca-Cola Zero Sugar Bite is the 0% sugar model with a new exterior design and claims to have been born in the metaverse. This strategy goes hand in hand with Epic Games, as it includes a code that allows players to unlock special maps and 4 mini-games in the producer's well-known video game, Fortnite. In terms of Bitcoin, its price touched the $39,000 area again yesterday. The sale of holders and the aggressive position of the Fed to contain inflation have caused the market to enter into a situation of instability. The next meeting of the Fed will be held on May 3rd, and this date is marked in red on the market's calendar, as it is when it will be made public the increase in the interest rate and the future. All this in our weekly analysis. Finally, make sure not to miss our weekly special this Sunday in NFT art. We focus on the more artistic and creative side of non-fungible tokens. Is it a bubble or a new art paradigm? We'll be back on Monday with more crypto and blockchain related news. Have a great weekend.